You can tell, but this headlight lens is fogged up quite a bit. So I'm going to try something I saw where baking soda can fix this. Just a little water and baking soda, rub it in. We'll see what happens. There we go. A little bit of baking soda. And there's some water. I'm going to add a little bit of water to the baking soda. Mix it up a bit. Make it like a paste. And there we go. And I guess put a little bit on our, got our old rag here. Let's see. Put some on there. And just start rubbing it in. I'm going to rub for a while and we'll come back and see what's happened. Been rubbing for about 5 minutes. Looks like it's doing something. No. Actually, it looks a little better. You keep going, we'll get back to you. Yeah. It actually looks a lot better. I think I need to hit it again, but did the trick. So 10 cents of baking soda versus a $15 lens restoral kit. But I'd say it worked. And that's that.